Imagine carrying one camera that can shoot breathtaking landscapes at 24mm, capture birds hundreds of meters away at 600mm, record cinematic 4K video, and never require a lens change. It sounds like the perfect travel companion, doesn't it? Well, after nearly a decade of waiting, Sony has finally introduced the RX10V. On paper, it looks like the ultimate all-in-one camera. But there's one problem that could stop many photographers from buying it. Is the Sony RX10V worth its premium price, or has the mirrorless revolution made bridge cameras a thing of the past? Stay with me, because the answer isn't as simple as you might think. The RX10 series has always been special. While most cameras force you to choose between portability and versatility, the RX10 has always offered both. Travelers loved it because they didn't need to carry multiple lenses. Wildlife photographers appreciated the incredible zoom reach. Sports enthusiasts could follow fast-moving action without spending thousands on expensive telephoto lenses. Now, Sony has taken that winning formula and updated almost everything inside the camera while keeping the same practical design that made the series so popular. The first thing you'll notice is that the camera looks very familiar. Sony didn't redesign it just for the sake of making it look different. Instead, they focused on improving what really matters. The deep grip still feels secure in your hand, the weather-sealed body is built for outdoor adventures, and the physical buttons and control dials make changing settings quick and easy. It still feels like a professional camera, but one that you can comfortably carry all day. Inside the camera is where the real magic begins. Sony uses its latest Bionz XR processor together with a 20.1 megapixel stacked 1-inch sensor. While some people may complain that the megapixel count hasn't increased, that's actually missing the point. Sony chose to improve speed, intelligence, and overall performance instead of chasing bigger numbers. The result is a camera that feels dramatically faster in almost every situation. One of the biggest upgrades is autofocus, and honestly, it's impressive. Sony has brought its latest AI-powered subject recognition system to the RX10V. The camera can automatically recognize people, birds, animals, insects, airplanes, trains, and even racing cars. It doesn't simply focus on a subject, it predicts movement and keeps tracking it, even when something briefly blocks your view. If you've ever struggled to keep a flying bird or a fast-moving athlete in focus, this system feels almost like cheating. It locks on quickly and refuses to let go. Then comes the shooting speed. The RX10V can capture up to 30 frames per second while continuously tracking focus. Think about that for a moment. Whether you're photographing birds taking flight, children playing sports, or wildlife running through a forest, you're getting an incredible number of sharp images every second. Instead of hoping you captured the perfect moment, you can actually choose the best frame afterward. Of course, the real reason people buy an RX10 is the lens, and thankfully Sony didn't mess with perfection. The legendary Zeiss 24-600mm f2.4-4 zoom lens returns, and it's still one of the most versatile lenses ever built into a camera. One moment you're capturing an entire mountain range, and seconds later you're zoomed in close enough to photograph a distant eagle sitting on a tree. No lens swapping. No dust entering the sensor. No carrying a heavy camera bag. Just twist the zoom ring and keep shooting. That convenience is something no interchangeable lens system can truly match. Image quality is exactly what you'd expect from Sony. Photos are detailed, colors look vibrant without being unrealistic, and raw files give photographers plenty of room for editing. During daylight, images look fantastic, and the lens remains impressively sharp throughout most of its zoom range. Optical image stabilization also performs extremely well, allowing you to shoot handheld at long focal lengths where camera shake would normally ruin your photos. However, every camera has limitations, and this is where reality catches up. The 1-inch sensor simply can't compete with larger APS-C or full-frame sensors in difficult lighting. Once the sun goes down, you'll start noticing more image noise as ISO increases. Background blur also isn't as dramatic as what larger sensors can produce with fast interchangeable lenses. This isn't a flaw, it's simply the physics of sensor size. If your main priority is maximum image quality in every lighting condition, mirrorless cameras still have the advantage. For video creators, though, Sony has packed this camera with features that make it surprisingly powerful. It records crisp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, offers high frame rate recording for beautiful slow motion, supports professional 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, includes S-Log3 and S-Cinetone color profiles, accepts LUTs for faster color grading, and even supports high-quality USB streaming. In other words, this isn't just a photography camera anymore. It's a serious hybrid tool for YouTubers, filmmakers, travelers, and documentary creators who want professional results without carrying multiple cameras. Battery life remains respectable, although anyone planning long shooting days or extended video recording should definitely carry spare batteries. Thankfully, USB-C charging makes topping up the battery much easier while traveling. Now we arrive at the biggest talking point, the price. Sony has positioned the RX10V as a premium camera, and that premium price changes the entire conversation. Suddenly, buyers begin comparing it with interchangeable lens mirrorless systems instead of other bridge cameras. For similar money, you could buy an APS-C mirrorless camera and start building a lens collection. Those systems generally offer better low-light performance and more room to grow in the future. But here's something many people overlook. Buying a mirrorless camera often means buying several expensive lenses. A wide-angle lens. A portrait lens. A telephoto lens. A travel lens. Before long, your lightweight camera becomes a heavy backpack full of equipment that costs far more than the camera itself. The RX10V eliminates that entire problem. Everything you need is already attached to the camera. That simplicity has real value, especially for travelers, wildlife enthusiasts, hikers, and photographers who simply want to enjoy shooting instead of worrying about gear. This is exactly why opinions about the RX10V are so divided. Some reviewers argue that it's too expensive for a bridge camera. Others believe it's one of the smartest all-in-one cameras ever built. The truth is that both viewpoints are correct. If you're looking for the highest image quality per dollar, mirrorless cameras probably make more sense. But if convenience, flexibility, and having every focal length available instantly matter more than anything else, very few cameras can compete with what the RX10V offers. So, who should actually buy this camera? If you're a wildlife photographer who loves hiking, a traveler who hates changing lenses, a sports photographer who needs extreme zoom, or a content creator looking for one camera that can handle almost everything, the RX10V makes an incredibly strong case. On the other hand, if you mostly shoot indoors, work in low light, or plan to build a professional lens collection over time, you'll probably get better long-term value from a mirrorless system. In the end, the Sony RX10V proves that bridge cameras are far from dead. Instead, Sony has refined the formula into one of the most capable all-in-one cameras ever created. It isn't perfect, and it certainly isn't cheap, but it delivers something few cameras can, a complete photography and filmmaking experience without requiring a single lens change. Whether that's worth the premium price depends entirely on how you shoot. But one thing is certain, if convenience, versatility, and incredible zoom are at the top of your wish list, the Sony RX10V deserves a place on your shortlist.